Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning here. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook tuna spinach omelette. Very simple dish, very little ingredients. So let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients for our tuna spinach omelette. Scramble the eggs, then add pepper, salt, red onion, and tuna. Spray a pan with oil. Add the scrambled eggs tuna mixture in a pan. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure that your heat is in low. Add cheese and spinach. Cook it for another 3 minutes. Fold the omelette carefully so it doesn't break. Our tuna spinach omelette is done. It's time to eat.